Hey guys, coming to you today with doing the stereo install on this 1983 Chevrolet C10, showing how to. As you see there, I'm connecting all the wires and making connections, uh, adding the Sirius vehicle tuner, and getting everything all set so I can slide in the radio unit itself, making some final connections, sliding it in, hooking up the AM/FM radio antenna that's in the windshield, and now installing head unit and powering on for the first time. As you can see, I'm going through all the functions, making sure everything's working correctly. As you can see here right now, I am tuning stations, getting all the local FM stations and AM stations in. Now, as you can see, I'm going through all the functions, checking sound, making sure the bass and treble are correct, fader and balance. Now this Pioneer stereo did come with Bluetooth phone connectivity, so now I am getting to the feature where I'm going to pair the iPhone 6s Plus. Getting to that function. Now I am pairing the iPhone. Takes about a few minutes and then it should show that it's successfully paired. As you can see here, I'm setting all the features to get phone calls, setting up to auto answer and color illumination, either flashing or solid. Getting Pandora and all those fun things added. I am now finishing the phone pairing connection, making sure everything's right, making sure it's all working, and now tuning in other stations, changing the illumination feature on the head unit itself. Now I am reinstalling the dash pad with the help of a friend, making sure everything's lined up, putting the finishing touches on here, making sure everything's lined up right, and now screwing in all the necessary screws that hold the bezel together to make this a completed interior, as we can see here. Making sure everything is lined up. It's after installing the new shift indicator, checking to make sure it's all lined up. Now we're on to door panel repair, and I'm trying to remove the window crank to get the door panel off, and I do not have one of those specialty tools, so all I did was take a cabinet size screwdriver and pop the little clip. Now I'm unscrewing all the necessary screws to remove that door panel to fix the lock rod, which has mysteriously come out. Somebody must have pulled on it too hard. Now with the help of a friend, she's doing the last screw on the panel. Now I'm finding the rod and clip, reinstalling, making sure there's no broken pieces off inside the door frame, checking to make sure it's incorrect, moving it up and down on all latches. I spray the latches with graphite lube to make sure they move freely, reinstalling the door panel, realizing that the rod has come off again. Taking off the door panel, once again, we try to make a little piece of wire to hold that clip into place, but being unsuccessful, I'm just going to have to order a new clip from LMC Truck. For the time being, the panel's back on and the lock rod's working correctly with gentle care. I hope you enjoyed this and it was informative. Thank you and have a good day.